Boom! Welcome to another week of the top 10 trending dancehall songs them on YouTube. Let's get right into the video. Let's go. Round of applause. Let's go. At a number 10 spot, we have, who do we have? Craft, Pretty Rockstar. Let's go. Number 9 spot, who do we have? Najari and Russian, Cloud9. Let's go. At a number 8 spot, who do we have? Haitian, Governor and Nuts. Shoot that cut off quick. Bad song. At a number 7 spot, who do we have? Ames and RD, Need Somebody. Let's go. At a number 6 spot, who do we have? Skipper, go. At a number 5 spot, who do we have? Skipper again with Evil. Number 4 spot, who do we have? Valiant and Russian, Passenger Princess. Let's go. Number 3 spot, Squash with Status. Let's go. Number 2nd spot, who do we have? Massacre and Russian, Rich Sex. Let's go. Number 1 spot now, who do we have at the number 1 spot? James Be Loved and Blessed with Scatalopa. Those are the top 10 trending dancehall songs them on YouTube for this week. Stay tuned for another video next week. Let's go.